Hey guys, I'm Sergey from Octosec, and today we're going to talk about the painful subject in cybersecurity. Of course, I'm talking about the human factor, and I'm talking about social engineering. Okay, so what is social engineering, and how does it work? Okay, the definition of social engineering is manipulation on people, humans, in order to bypass technological systems. So, what do we mean by that? Um, so if I want to bypass some kind of a system and I want to damage the organization, so my foothold inside the organization won't be something technology, like like hacking or something like that. It will be to get a password from a person and or to get a foothold inside their computer, mainly by phishing with fake links or try to fish the user and password from a fake link, or maybe to USB, and that they will find in near vicinities to where they work, so they can put it in the computer, and we will we get like a reverse shell or binding shell inside the organization. So how do we do it? First of all, we need to understand the organization. Okay. We need to take a look on all what is available online. It's called OSINT. Okay. It's all the information that's available online. It's not something illegal. It's something that you can find out about any company, and you start to know what are the organization built, what is the organization tree, who is the key, the man that with a key job that can give you access, like the IT man, the CTO, the cybersecurity team. They are the one with a lot of privileges inside the system, the IT manager. And we start to do some kind of phishing. Maybe we send them mails or SMSs that says, I don't know, put your user or your ID, work ID, and you will get a certificate or like coupons or something like that. And if you are doing spear phishing, you target the person itself and try to, you're working like kind of a detective, and you try to pinpoint a ways that you can get to it. And you can do whaling, and you can impersonate, if you know enough details about the company, you can impersonate his higher management, and or you can do stuff that a lot of people do and said, I'm this or that person, I'm now in abroad, or I'm in at home, I'm sick for the couple of days. Can you give me the VPN access to my username and password for the VPN? And it could happen. You can do vishing, that is what I just said, that is through the phone, you try to fish the username or the password. There is a lot of ways of phishing, but um, the the most important part is to understand the way that it works, because this is the way that you can avoid those kind of stuff. Okay, and to be notable and pay attention to which mail do you get. If and have like a healthy suspicion on everything and every mail that you take, even if this is from the CEO or something like that. If the CEO send you, hey, give me your VPN password, if you are working in the company, and you can go and ask him, did you ask me that before you give the details? So, or if he talked to you before that said, I'm going to send you a mail that ask for your VPN password and user. So, yeah, yeah, but in most cases, don't give your password and user to anybody. Don't give your credit card info to anybody. Um, at least you are buying from something, or it's sometimes it's someone that you are um, really him and you are sure about him and everything. And So from there, after you did all this, you understand the organization and you understand what is the thing that you need to target. There is two set of things that you need inside any network. You need a keys to the kingdom. This is the way to access the information and the information that they are stored that is most important to them. That's called the crown jewels. Like inside the company, it will be the customer credit card, or inside, I don't know, development team, it's with the source code, or anything that you can take that the company is most protected, they're protected the most, is also this called the crown jewels. So this is how social engineering work in a nutshell. So by the way, if you like my videos and you like how I explain stuff, give us a like, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.